Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Kawa Shower men's slide. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So inside this box is a pair of Nike Kawa Shower men's slide. And this pair is in a UK size 8 or US size 9 and in the black-white colorway. It's also available in several other colorways and of course sizes as well. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, opening the box flap on the side and taking a look inside. And let's tip the contents out from the box. And just checking through, making sure nothing else is left behind, and we can set the box to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side of the frame, and just laying out the pair of Nike Kawa Shower men's slide on the tabletop. Let's see if I can find a nice spot to put it in. And there is a hook for the pair of Nike Kawa Shower men's slide. Setting that to the side right there. And okay, so as you can see, they are in the black-white colorway, quite obviously, in a very high contrast with that white Nike swoosh against the overall main black color of the slide. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9. And let's just focus on the left foot side at the moment, and I'm just going to set the right side at the top, or near the top of the frame, so it doesn't interfere with the foreground. It's right here, dealing with the left foot slide, and it is amazingly light, very light in weight, and you can see it does have a synthetic strap here that goes over the forefoot, and it does have a nice foam outsole with a groove or wave type pattern to it, and you can see there are perforations or holes right through the footbed of the slide. Just taking a look right round around the various sides of the Nike Kawa Shower men's slide. And just to give you an idea of the size as well, given that this is a UK size 8 or US size 9, just resting in the palm of my hand, and giving you a close-up look, top down, of this slide. So you can see once again that groove pattern right through the length of the footbed, and the pair of holes right down the middle of the footbed as well, slightly off-centered. It's right there. And just giving you a look in terms of the material and flexibility or firmness of the various parts of this slide. So let's do a twist, just giving you a twist test right there. So as I mentioned, it is incredibly light in weight, so it's a lightweight pair of slides. So giving you an all-round look as well, so just going to give you this view right here. And just going to rotate it right round to give you a continuous and thorough look. And taking a look at the tag that's attached to the strap of the slide. So there we go, the details right there. UK size 8, US size 9, the Nike Kawa Shower. And taking a look at the heel area right there, and that wave pattern. Right through the length of the slide, and taking a look, of course, quite importantly, on the underside to see what kind of material or covering, if there is any. And right there giving you a look as to the inside, of course, or underside of the forefoot or foot strap. And you can see that the Nike swoosh is raised against the strap. And you can see that kind of leather grained or distressed texture across the surface of the strap. And taking a close-up look right there towards the toe area. So you can see there are many contours to the slide, lots of curves. And of course, once again, that wave pattern. And just to show you, running my index finger along the length of the outsole right here. So you can hear. So it does have a foam outsole. And just to show you the flexibility as well. So it does provide quite some nice comfort as well, having a Solarsoft footbed for cushioning and comfort. So I'm going to press on it just to give you some idea in terms of the cushiness or sponginess right there. Just pressing down, showing you kind of towards the edge. You can see it more visibly right there. So it does have some firmness towards the thicker parts, but overall very, very light in weight, and of course quite soft and flexible as well. So that's the left foot side. Now let's take a look on the right foot side. Just going to set the left foot side right up there, and this time round, taking a look at the right side of the Nike Kawa Shower men's slide in the black-white colorway, UK size 8 or US size 9. And there we go, nice clear look. And giving you a look as to the texture and patterns right across this side. And you can see it is one complete molded piece, or at least it appears so. And right there giving you some idea of the flexibility. So very light in weight, as I keep saying, with a Solarsoft footbed and a foam outsole, and of course a synthetic foot strap as well right there, giving you some idea as to the comfort and softness right there. Quite flexible, as you can see, nice and soft. right there. And finally giving you a look at the pair together. It's right there. So that's Nike Kawa Shower men's slide. Thanks for watching and happy walking!